Namaste student, खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVN Dr. Meenakshi Maheshwari, Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about marketing, principle of marketing. In this subject, our topic is marketing environment. So let's start about marketing environment. Marketing environment. Several internal and external factors affect a business marketing activities. While some of the factors are in the control of the business, most of these are not, and the business has to adopt itself to avoid being affected by change in these factors. These external and internal factors group together to form a marketing environment in which the business operates. So what is marketing environment? Marketing environment is the combination of external and internal factors and forces which affect the company's ability to establish a relationship and serve its customer. The marketing environment of a business consists of an internal and external environment. The internal environment is a company specific and include owners, workers, machines, material, etc. The external environment is further divided in two components, micro and macro. The micro or the task environment is also specific to the business but is external. It consists of factors engaged in producing, distributing, and promoting the offering. The macro or the broad environment include larger societal force which affect society as a whole. It is made up of 6 components: demographic, economic, physical, technological, political, legal, and socio-cultural environment. A company's marketing environment consists of the actors and forces outside of marketing that affect marketing management ability to build and maintain successful relationship with target customers. Philip Kotler. Component of marketing environment. The marketing environment is made up of the internal and external environment of the business. While the internal environment can be controlled, the business has less or no control over the external environment. Internal environment. The internal environment of the business include all the forces and factors inside the organization which affect its marketing operations. These components can be grouped under the 5 Ms of business, which are: first one is man, the people of the organization including both skilled and unskilled worker. Second is minutes, time taken for the process of the business to complete. Next is machinery, the factors of production and suppliers required by the business to complete the process or production. Next is money. Money is the financial resources used to purchase machinery, material, and pay the employees. The internal environment is under the control of marketers and can be changed with the changing external environment. Nevertheless, the internal marketing environment is as important for the business as the external marketing environment. These environments include the sales department, the marketing department, the manufacturing unit, and the human resource department. Next, external environment. The external environment constitute factors and forces which are external to the business and on which the marketers has little or no control. The external environment is of two types: micro marketing environment and macro marketing environment. Micro environment The microenvironment of the external environment is also known as the task environment. It comprises of external forces and factors that are directly related to the business. These include suppliers, market intermediaries, customers, partners, competitors, and the public. Suppliers include all the parties which provide resources needed by the organization. Market intermediaries include parties involved in distributing the product or service of the organization. Partners are all the separate entities like advertising agencies, market research organizations, banking and insurance companies, transportation companies, brokers, etc., which conduct business with the organization. Next is customers, comprise of the target group of the organization. Competitors are the player in the same market who target similar customer as that of the organization. Public is made up of any other group that has an actual or potential interest or affect the company's ability to serve its customer. Next, a macro environment. The macro component of the marketing environment is also known as the broad environment. It constitutes the external factors and forces which affect the industry as a whole but don't have a direct effect on the business. The macro environment can be divided in 6 parts. First one is demographic environment. The demographic environment is made up of the people who constitute the market. It is characterized as the factual investigation and segregation of the population according to the size, density, location, age, gender, race and occupation. Next, economic environment. The economic environment consists factors which influence customers' purchasing power and spending patterns. These factors include the GDP, GNP, interest rate, inflation, income distribution, government funding and subsidies, and other major economic variables. Next, a physical environment. The physical environment includes the natural environment in the which the business operates. This includes the climatic condition, environmental change, accessibility to water and raw material, natural disasters, population, etc. Next, the technological environment. The technological environment constitutes innovation, research and development in technology, technological alternatives, innovative inducements, also technological barriers to smooth operations. Technology is one of the biggest source of threat and opportunities for the organization, and it is very dynamic. Political and legal environment. The political and legal environment include laws and government policy prevailing in the country. It also includes other pressure groups and agencies which influence or limit the working of the industry or the business in the society. Next is social culture environment. The social culture aspect of the macro environment is made up of the lifestyle, values, culture, and prejudice and beliefs of the people. This differ in different regions. So let's important of marketing environment. Marketing, every business, no matter how big or small, operate with the marketing environment. It present and future existence, profit, image and position depend on its internal and external environment. The business environment is one of the most dynamic aspect of the business. In order to operate and stay in the market for long, one has to understand and analyze the marketing environment and its components properly. इसमें फर्स्ट है essential for planning. An understanding of the external and internal environment is essential for planning. For the future, a marketers need to be fully aware of the current scenario, dynamism and future predictions of the marketing environment if he wants his plan to succeed. Understanding customer knowledge of the marketing environment help market acknowledge and predict what the customer actually want. In-depth analysis of the marketing environment reduce the noise between the marketers and customers and help the marketer to understand consumer behavior better. Next is tapping trends. Breaking into new markets and capitalization on new trends require a lot of insight about the marketing environment. The marketers need to research about every aspect of the environment to create a foolproof plan. Next, threat and opportunities. Sound knowledge of the market environment often gives a first mover advantage to the marketers as he makes sure that his business is safe from future threats and taps the future opportunities. Next, understanding the competitors. Every niche has different players fighting for the same spot. A better understanding of the marketing environment allows the marketer to understand more about the competition and about what advantage do the competitors have over his business and vice versa. So I repeat, what is marketing environment? Marketing environment is the combination of external and internal factors and forces which affect the company's ability to establish a relationship and serve its customer. It has two environment. First one is internal and external. In internal include owner, worker, machine and material. External, these are two types, two components, micro and macro. Internal environment में 5 M's include man, minutes, machinery, material, money. And external has two, micro and macro. In micro, suppliers, market intermediaries, partners, customer, competitors and public. In macro, demographic environment, economic environment, physical environment, technological environment, political legal environment and social culture environment. Importance of marketing environment: essential for planning, understanding customer, tapping trends, threat and opportunities, understanding the competitors. So in this session, important question asked in the examination: describe marketing environment in briefly. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, any questions, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.